Hi, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Clout SaaS. In this video, we are going to see how to highlight the highest and lowest values in a column chart. And we are going to see in two different scenarios. One is with DAX and another one is without DAX. Let us jump into the scenario. So before that, let's understand the model view. So I have two tables. One is fact table, another one is dimension table, which is a date table. And I have established the connection between these two tables based on the purchase date. Now let's understand the date table. So in the date table, I have created using the distinct function and pulled out the purchase date from the fact table. So the unique value will be available over here, and I have created new column into the same table as month year. So I pulled out the year and month from the purchase date from the same table, and I pulled out the year from the purchase date. So I have created these two columns. Now let's go to the report view. Here in the slicer, I have year from the date table. So in this column chart, I have month from the dimension table, which is a date table over here, and y-axis has a total purchase. Total purchase is nothing like it's a sum of price from the fact table. Now we are just going to create high and low values without using the DAX function. So for this, just select the visuals over here and just go to the format your visuals and just go to the columns over here and select conditional formatting. So when you click, the window will appear over here, and format style is supposed to be the rule. Okay, let it be like this. And what field should we base this on? So let us select total price as y-axis. Now let us set the rule as if the value is equal to 0, let it be the percentage as it is, and then select the color as something dark. Okay, and add one more rule. If the value is again equal to 100%, then it will be green color. So more and green, select here. Now just click OK. So see, we got high and low value with the two different color. Rest will be in a blue color. So if you change that here also, it will change dynamically. See, so whenever change the years, it will change the highlighted columns dynamically. Now let's go with the DAX. How to create the DAX for this? Just make it as new measure. Name it as highlight equal to. Let's create the variable for high and low. So I'm just using the underscore min equal to min x. The purpose of using min x is it will calculate row by row. Okay, so I'm just selecting the table. So here I'm just applying the all selected function, which will select based on the slicer. And what we have slicer month year from the date table, right? So month year from the date table. Then close the bracket for all selected. Then what would be the expression for min x? Then we have to apply the total price that we measure created, right? Just select it and close the bracket and make one more variable as max equal to, again we are just using the max x function, or selected value from month year from the date table. Then close the bracket for all selected, then comma, the expression is supposed to be the total price. Now close the bracket. Just put alt enter, it will give the new row. Select variable, I just want to highlight the value equal to. So here I am using the switch function. Just select a switch, and if the switch is true, switch is nothing like it's advanced level of if condition. If there are more if condition, we can use the switch function over here. So alt enter, and we have to pass it as if the min value equal to total sales. If it's matched, then show me min value supposed to be in red, right? Then comma, alt enter, and if the max value. So we are calling the variable equal to total price, then it should be green. Else I just want to show gray color. Okay, and here I just want to return it. I will explain this DAX now. Just return it as highlight. Okay, now I will explain the DAX over here. So we are creating the variable, and variable we are naming as min, and we are using the min x function and all selected from the value from date table, that is the dimension table which is in the slicer. So date month year from the date table, and we are passing the expression as total price in the first variable. And the second variable, the max variable, again we are using the max function or max x function here, and it's all selected from the date table, that is month year. Then close the bracket, comma, total price, which is the expression over here. And we are creating another variable which is highlights. Okay, Here we are using the switch function. If the switch is true, if the condition is true, then if the min value is equal to total price, then show me the red. Else, if the maximum value, whatever the stores over here, the max value equal to total price, then show me green. Else, show me the gray for all other column chart. Now, when I returning, I have to call the highlight variable. Okay. Now, just save it. Now, after selecting this chart, just go to the format visual, format your visuals, then go to columns here and click on the conditional formatting. Here, instead of that, just select field value under the format style. And what should field we are using now here? We are just created the highlight measure, right? So select the highlight, then just click OK. See, the highest value gets a green color and lowest value in red color, and remaining will be in a gray. See, so whenever I just change the value here in the slicer, it will change accordingly. If you like this video, just hit like button. It will motivate me to do more videos on this. And please do subscribe my channel. Thank you and thanks for watching.